Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Adi from Bahasa Inggris in Panama. This morning, I think I want to share a bit about some expressions I think you can use. But the first, the title, yeah, Bahasa Inggris, an English course, the Pan Masjid Al Sumber. Yeah. So, if you don't find an English course, just come to Bahasa Inggris. Depan Masjid Al-Naya Sumber, Inshaallah, right? Although no guarantee. Well, this morning I just want to share three, I think, yeah. Maybe if I can make the video one day, 3 words or 3 expressions like that. Maybe the words like this one. Number 1, what is it? Number 1, buruan. We always say this one with our friend, right? Buruan bro, we can say hurry up bro, hurry up bro. If we read it fast, hurry up, like that. Hurry up bro, maybe like that. Alright, we're not an English speaker. I think it's been great, right? And then number 2, saya haus sekali. Maybe, yeah, we know Sumatra or Kisaran or Siumbutumbu right now is very hot, so we can say, oh, I'm so thirsty. Once again, I am so thirsty. When you construct I'm so thirsty. If not, I am so thirsty, like this. Okay. And then number 3, maybe number 2, yeah. Saya haus sekali boom. The example, I'm so thirsty mom, I'm so thirsty dad, ayah, maybe, right? And then number 3, cantik sekali kamu, you can say how beautiful you are. Once again, how beautiful you are. Or we can say how pretty you are. Or maybe we can say what, yeah? What a beautiful you are. Or what a pretty you are. If you want to just use this one, it's okay. How beautiful you are. Alright, I think that's it. And don't forget to come to Bahasa Inggris in Panama. Inshaallah will be barakah, right? Amadi from Bahasa Inggris in Panama. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.